Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Michael Taylor and welcome to my YouTube channel. So for those of you who do not know me, first of all, what's up? How's it going? But this might seem like a really strange intro video because in this video I plan to address a few problems that I've had in the past and kind of my direction going forward. But I think it'll be a really great way for you to understand who I am and kind of my intentions. And for those of you who do know me and that have been supporting me, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. But I owe you guys an apology because up until now I've been very artificial. You know, I haven't been myself. I've kind of put up this wall and I've been really shady and I haven't shared with you guys the things that I'm really passionate about. Now, the reason I was doing that is because I was afraid. So I was afraid that I would lose friends and followers because of the radical ideas that I was having. I was afraid that people would steal my 3D designs and models and run off and start $1 million company without me. I was afraid that I would have too much influence and that I would guide people down the wrong path. And so, you know, that's why it felt so restricted, and that's why I couldn't be myself. Well, that was last year, and ultimately I've grown up a lot. I've matured a lot, and you know, those past fears have kind of dissolved away. So I'm not afraid of people's opinion of me anymore because, you know, I'm confident in my own ability to make the right decision. Whether that be the right decision or the wrong decision doesn't really matter because ultimately I'm the one that has to live with that decision. And, you know, other people's opinions of that shouldn't affect me. And so, you know, I'm not afraid of what other people think about me anymore. I'm also not afraid that people are going to run off and take my idea and start $1 million company because I realized that was very greedy. You know, in the beginning, I tried to patent everything and I tried to keep all my ideas away from people and, you know, be really secretive about it. And I realized how silly that was because, you know, ultimately nothing came of those projects and they were never capable of expanding into something really great and inspiring. And so, you know, I don't care if someone takes my idea and runs with it and starts $1 million company because ultimately I was a part of that process and maybe they have resources that at their disposal that, you know, made that possible. So that doesn't affect me anymore, and basically I plan to release all of my designs, all of my ideas for free. I don't want to monetize off of them to the community because I want to bring some value to this space. I think 3D printing is truly revolutionary, and I think there's a lot of things that can come of it. So I don't want to restrict that any more than I already have. And as far as influencing people, that's something I'm still kind of nervous about. So, for example, back in the day, you know, I'm a very passionate person, but back in the day, going into college, I was a heavy partier. You know, I drank alcohol, I smoked, I listened to loud music. We would have crazy ragers at our house, and you know, it was a lot of fun, and I thought I was doing the right thing by inviting all my friends and getting everyone involved in that kind of lifestyle. Well, now that I've grown up a little bit, I realized that, you know, I don't even like alcohol. Like, I absolutely hate alcohol, and I've stopped drinking it. But, you know, because of those years, unfortunately, other people may, you know, have not come to that realization, and maybe they're stuck in a lifestyle that is detrimental to them, and I realized that it might have been my fault. So that's been kind of burdensome, and that's been something that's been kind of nagging on me for a while, and that's, you know, why I wanted to make this video, because I wanted to kind of make amends and say that I'm truly sorry and I really apologize for having that kind of influence on people. But I also want to use that as an opportunity because my past life is, you know, the only thing that I have to reference. And if I never made those mistakes, then I'm never capable of realizing what's right. So now I'm going to use those past mistakes to hopefully make amends and to do something that's going to be positive. And that's what I plan to use this YouTube channel as. I want to use it as an outlet to share ideas and thoughts and kind of what ifs with you guys, not to tell you how to think or live or what to do, but just simply to bring it to your attention, to just discuss it, because I don't claim to know what's right or what's wrong. I never want to claim that I'm this is the only solution, this is the right solution, because there's so many solutions out there. I don't want to be the person that tells you to do something and then it winds up being the completely wrong thing to be doing. But I simply want to share my experiences, share with you guys some of the things that I've learned and that have helped me throughout my journey, because hopefully that will bring value into your life. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Zoop!